Today, I'm going to show you some of the specific Linux terminal applications I use, or applications that I use inside the terminal. This one isn't really one of them. This is one I've just found out about recently, called Nyancat. To get it on Ubuntu, you just type in sudo apt install Nyancat, and it will run, and then you run Nyancat, and it does this. I am lost for words. Welcome to Linux. This is going to be a weird video. So, how do we get out of this? We get out of it like that. The first one I'm going to show you is a file manager, Ranger, and it's just a very simple thing to navigate your files and whatnot. If we go into here, we can go into there and have a look at random things that are in here. A lot of it's just boring stuff from previous videos or whatever, and yeah, it's just a simple file manager. I use it quite a bit just to visualize my files and folders when I'm moving around the system, and just to do some basic file stuff. It uses Vim shortcuts. A lot of the things we're going to be showing use Vim shortcuts. I don't use Vim. I use Nano because I love Nano. So I've actually edited my Nano config file, and by editing the Nano config file, I am able to write long strings of text and have them wrap around. I'm going to leave that in. I really like Nano. The spell checker's really nice. Irony around. There it is, number 3. So, Nano is really good just for writing basic text and also editing config files because it has syntax. Another one, I can't really show you this properly, but CMOS is a music player. If I go into, I don't know, see, I've got nothing in my music folder. There's nothing there. Videos. Let's go sound clips. I have got some stuff on here like this. That's not really something I can show, but you know, it's just a music player. CMOS is really good. I usually have this just open, just playing whatever, bloody Tycho or Elvis Presley, God knows what, right? Another one I'm trying to get used to is Calcurses, and it uses a similar system to Nano in that it gives you the shortcuts at the bottom. It says at the bottom how you use it. Tab to change the window, and it highlights it, and then you can add an item. Enter a new to-do item. Update your computer. There's also 2 more. There's PDFLaTech. I can't really show that because I've not got any LaTeX files on this computer. But PDFLaTech just compiles LaTeX documents. And again, I don't have any PDFs on here, so this is difficult to show. MUPDF is a PDF document viewer that's very minimal and simple. It fits with the i3. It fits on OpenBox if you use that. I've tried to get into using OpenBox because OpenBox is meant to be easier than i3 and it's just not. Right, so we'll go on here. We'll go open with FE. You have to do it with a directory. If you do it just on an image, it will open that image. That's it. It's not like Ristretto where it opens that image and all the other images and you can just cycle through them. To do that, you have to open the directory. So there's a lovely picture of Billy Mays, because Billy Mays will do that just so it stays however big I set it. And you can just, it's just brilliant. It's not really a terminal application, but it lets you cycle through all the pictures if you go, wee, and it's brilliant. That's fair. And then I'm going to give a nod to SSH because I do use it occasionally, though I can't use it and show it you right now. I use it on my laptop to access my desktop because I can. Of course, you need passwords and stuff set up, and it's a really messy thing to get working. But if you're going to use SSH, one of the things I'd say you do is sudo nano. I'm not using gedit or any of that crap for this. etc ssh _config. Open this and go down to this line here. This will say /x11 no, and it will be commented out. Uncomment it and change the no to yes. Do it on the server, not the client, and you'll be able to run FE as long as it's installed and open images, and it will forward the images and you can see them on your remote system. So similar to Nyancat, there's quite a few silly, stupid things you can run in your terminal, which I think are brilliant. There's CMatrix, which is cool. You can have this as a screensaver, so if you want a really cool screensaver, you can do this CMatrix and it will be a screensaver. There's another one which is Fortune, And Fortune just tells you a stupid, really stupid, pointless thing. I don't understand Fortune. I don't understand some of this. So is good, very excellent good, and yet it is not. It is but so. William Shakespeare's As You Like It. I don't understand. I really don't get it. But one of the things you can do is run Fortune. Let's pipe it through Kosei. Let's do -F and then GNU because we want the GNU cow. Because Richard Stallman. And then we'll pipe it with lolcat. And this is probably the best command ever. Why would you do this? I don't know. What do you have when you have a lawyer buried up to his neck in sand? Not enough sand. Now, if cows aren't your thing, there is this. Because, of course, this would be a thing. Because it's Linux. And why wouldn't you? Welcome to the shit show, ladies and gentlemen. I don't get why you would do this, but you know, whatever. So, yeah, and before you ask me what this supports, that's all of them. There's some variations of them. Them are some of the stupid... I'm going to get rid of that. Them are some of the stupid things that you can run in a terminal. If, of course, that isn't your thing. You can also try to touch a woman, but you can't because permission is denied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.